You certainly have already heard someone talking about the benefits of oats for our body health, right? It shows up in some of the recipes on our channel, and even in some healthy and functional recipes that we find today. But do you know all the benefits of eating oats? Oats are well known around the world and can be found in many people's breakfasts. It is a cereal rich in fiber and can be found as flour, rolled oats, or oat bran. Although oats don't contain gluten, most of its production is processed in places that also handle wheat, which makes oats to be considered a dangerous food for people with celiac. If you have celiac disease, you must opt for a brand that says gluten-free on their label to avoid the risk of cross-contamination. Eating oats can bring many benefits to your health, besides making your day taste a little bit better. Learn the main benefits of oats. Helps with weight loss. Because it is high in fiber and can satiate a person for longer, eating oats in the right amount can help you with the weight loss process. Improves heart health. According to some studies, eating whole grains is good for the heart and arteries, reducing blood pressure and the chances of developing coronary disease. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you and your health. Also, give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to watch this. Prevents diabetes. Because of its low glycemic index, oats help prevent diabetes, reduce the absorption of carbs, and improves insulin sensitivity. Keeps the intestine in check. Because of its fiber, oats not only give a sensation of satiety and help with weight loss, but also help regulate the intestine. Once the high quantity of fiber in oats enters in contact with water, they form a gel that stimulates the intestinal transit. Besides that, the beta-glucan fibers stimulate the growth of probiotics, which also help to improve immunity and prevent diseases that attack the immune system. It also reduces the chances of intestinal cancer. Some studies show that the daily ingestion of 1.05 ounces, around 3 tablespoons of oats, is enough to get all the benefits of the cereal. This portion contains 2.7 grams of fiber, but it is important to remember that after ingesting fiber, it is necessary to watch your daily water intake. Do you like the benefits of oats? Do you want to know how to include it in your diet? Oats can be added to many recipes, like pasta, bread, cookies, pancakes, in some fillings, etc. One of the easiest ways of eating it is oatmeal, where you cook oats with some water and it becomes a cream. Oatmeal is very good at breakfast. The consumption of oats is contraindicated for those who suffer from celiac disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and people with accelerated intestinal transit. Besides that, excessive consumption of oats can cause food intolerance or flatulence. Although oats offer lots of benefits, it is not completely beneficial. Some people can have undesirable symptoms when consuming oats, even in the gluten-free version. If you feel bad after eating oats, watch the suggested video to understand why this cereal might not be good for you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.